What's up, everybody? In this video, we're at the Apmex website here, and we're going to be looking at a very cool piece of silver and gold that Apmex is doing. This is a very limited release. This is to coincide with the John Wick movie release. If you're like me, you're a John Wick fan, you've seen John Wick 1, you've seen John Wick 2, and you were flabbergasted to find out, yes, they're making a John Wick 3, and it comes out this Friday. So let's go over to Apmex right now. I want you guys to do this with me. Go into the search bar and type in John Wick, and look, there's results. There's stuff that pops up. So let's search. Let's see what actually pops up, and oh my goodness, would you look at this? They have the John Wick gold coin. That's right, the coin from the movie that Keanu Reeves uses to get paid in, that pays to buy the guns and the weapon. All the fun stuff that goes along with that movie is right here, right now. So let's take a look at the bullion version. This is probably going to be the one that the masses will get. It's currently out of stock, so if you want to be alerted when it comes out, click on the alert me, let them know. They'll shoot you an email when it gets released. But take a look here. This is 999 fine, partnered up exclusively with Lionsgate Film. Multiples of 20 are going to come packaged in tubes with that John Wick branding right there on the top of the tube. And I gotta tell you guys, I've always thought, why don't they have the John Wick coins they use in the movie? Why aren't they in real life? You know, ex unita veris. Let's get that stuff written on there, right? Let's see these coins. So very cool. Don't forget, John Wick comes in theaters May 17th. That's tomorrow. Comes out tomorrow. All right, let's take a peek-see at this gold coin. Now, this is the one you might be familiar with from the movie. Very, very cool piece of gold silver. This is a 1 ounce gold coin. It's going to come with a box like you see here. Very cool, intricate design. This is the outside of it, the John Wick box, John Wick metal, very cool. The mintage on this coin, guys, you see that? 100. We'll scroll down and read it. Only 100 of these gold coins will be made. Again, this is an Apmex exclusive. This is the only place you can get it. Partnered up with Lionsgate. Guys, I wish I could get my hands on this gold piece right here. I wish I could own one of these perma-stacked pieces. If you're in the movies, if you're a nerd like me, this is a perma-stack piece. Ex unitas veris. I think I said that right. 4 nines fine gold. Oh, this is so cool. Now, they also have the bullion version, and they also have the proof version, so let's take a look at that. Now, let's take a look at the proof version right here. This one is the super shiny, mirror-like, same thing, comes in the box with a little packaging that says John Wick on it. Very cool, very cool. My goodness, I want my hands on this. Ex unitas veris with the radial lines running through the back. 3 nines fine, and this proof version, again, like the gold, limited mintage of 100 rounds. That is extremely low mintage. If you want to make sure you get your hands on it, you gotta come over to Apmex, you gotta click on the alert me, and you gotta let them know to let you know when it's released so you can get it. This is gonna sell out quick. Again, the movie comes out tomorrow. Maybe this is released tomorrow. I don't know when this is gonna be released, but I do know it's gonna be a very hot coin. So if you can get your hands on it, definitely try to get your hands on it. I know for me, absolutely, definitely, because the John Wick bullion version coin doesn't seem to have a limited mintage there. So if we take a look at the bullion version, there's no mintage on here. So this is just going to be made until they're done making them, which is cool, which means everybody can get their hands on a bullion version at the very least. I'm excited. I don't know if you guys are. I'm a John Wick fan. I'm a huge Keanu Reeves fan, and this is just something I think we've all been asking for. Anybody that knows the John Wick series, I'm pretty sure we've all been wanting to get our hands on one of these pieces here. So let me know in the comments below, is this a coin that you're going to pick up? Is this a piece that you're looking to add into your stack? If so, I want to hear from you guys. Do you like the John Wick series? Do you not like the John Wick series? I'm a big fan. Now, the other thing you can do if you're interested in pieces like this and you want to know ahead of time when pieces are coming out, scroll all the way to the bottom of the Apmex page and you can see right here, you can enter in your email address. They add you to their little newsletter and you'll get notices and alerts of really cool pieces that are coming out. It's definitely beneficial to be signed up for these newsletters if you're a fan of silver and gold, because pieces like this, when they come up, they sell out very, very quickly. So I want to hear from you guys in the comments below. Are you picking it up? Which one? The gold, the proof, the bullion version? I want to hear from you guys in the comments below. But that's going to do it for me, everybody. If you want to see more videos like this one, click that like button. Let me know you like what you see here, and I'll make sure to give you more content like this. But that's it, everybody. I will talk to you again real soon. Everybody have a great day and enjoy that John Wick movie. I know I will. Peace out, everybody.
What do you need? Guns.
John Wick, Chapter 3, rated R, Friday.